Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Cambodia, the unlimited data. And before we get started, click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course, in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can exactly install eSIM app on your phone and set up or install its profile in both devices. So actually guys, first you all need to go to where do you need the internet here or the search bar and just look for the Cambodia. So this is the country. You go ahead and just tap on it. And here guys, as you can see, the eSIM offers the unlimited data eSIM plans for Cambodia with flexible durations. So the current options include 1 day, 7 day and 50 days unlimited plans, right? So just select they making it easy to choose an option based on the length of your trip, right? So let's say that it's 50 days or 15 days for $66. You will need then to select the number of the eSIMs, so you'll get 10% off for 2 eSIMs or more. Then just go with the checkout right here. So here really you can sign up or log in with a Google, Apple or an email, enable the auto top up and choose a payments method just up right there, and then just go with the pay so that you will follow the prompts afterward. Enter your card or debit credit card infos, your log into your Klarna account, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. So now guys, I'm going to show you how you can install an eSIM on the iPhone devices, right? So actually guys, first you will need to get the app from the Apple App Store and then just go to the eSIM page, and then you will need to tap on install option. Then you will need to set up eSIM plan as the mobile data, go with done, go with primary as the default line, and then go with continue and turn on the line and the data roaming, right? That's the first method. The second one is by adding the eSIM by scanning the QR code. So actually guys, first you will need to go to your device settings into the mobile data, then just go with add data plan option. So now you all need to go with use QR code, scan the QR code, and then use or choose the primary as default line, go with continue. The eSIM plan is mobile data and then done. So then just turn on the line and the data roaming. So for the Android, you will need to get the app from the Google Play Store, of course, and then just go ahead to its help center, go with the eSIM installation, install the app from that button, and then just go to settings and activate the eSIM and SIM manager, enable the data roaming, restart your phone if necessary requested. So this is the first method. The second method is to go to your device settings, connections, the SIM card manager option, and then add mobile plan, scan the QR code and enable the data roaming. So if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for Cambodia, of course, and once again click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.